Understanding emotionally charged in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in conversations, stories, and even in the news: emotionally charged. This phrase can add a lot of depth to your understanding of English, especially when talking about feelings and reactions. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. We hope this video enlightens you and enriches your English vocabulary. Emotionally charged refers to a situation, statement, or word that evokes a strong emotional reaction. This can be positive or negative emotions, from anger and frustration to love and passion. When something is emotionally charged, it's packed with feelings that can significantly affect someone's mood or state of mind. Understanding this phrase helps you grasp the emotional weight behind words or situations in English. Let's look at some examples to see how emotionally charged is used in context. A debate on a sensitive topic, like politics or religion, can become emotionally charged as participants strongly express their beliefs and feelings. Movies or books often have emotionally charged moments designed to make the audience feel deep emotions, such as a heartbreaking goodbye or a joyful reunion. By recognizing emotionally charged language, you can better understand the speaker's intentions and the emotional impact of what's being communicated. Now, let's practice using emotionally charged in sentences. The speech was emotionally charged and left many in the audience in tears. Avoiding emotionally charged topics at the dinner table might help in keeping the peace during family gatherings. Using this phrase correctly will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you express complex emotional states more accurately in English. Understanding the phrase, emotionally charged, allows you to convey and interpret emotional nuances effectively. It's a powerful tool in your English language arsenal, helping you navigate conversations with greater empathy and awareness. We hope this video has been helpful and that you're now more comfortable using and understanding this expressive phrase. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.